How to send music in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send or share music through Messenger. Well, as you know, if you simply open up Messenger and if you head into any chats, there you won't be able to send a particular music option. You can see here is no any music option. You can send a voice recording, but there is no any music option. Now how do you send music, right? The first thing, if you have the music on your device, it'll be quite easy. You want to simply head into your device storage. In my case, it's in my files and audio files. You can see I have certain musics here. Now select the music that you want to send. You can simply tap and hold on that particular music, and at the bottom you'll see move option, copy option, share option, delete option, and more option. Simply tap on share option, and there under it you'll find the messenger option. You can see messenger chats option. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you want to select the person. If you want, you can write a message. If you want to search for a particular option, you can search it from the search bar and simply tap on the send option right here. Once you tap on send, it'll be sent quickly here. I'll just send it quickly, and you can see it's been sent. Now if I open up Messenger, if I close this, if I go ahead on Messenger, and if I open up the chat, you can see the voice message has been sent. So this way you can send music in Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.